Okay, so I know I told you guys that I'm the queen of making apple pie, which is true. And then I was like, just kidding, I'm the queen of chicken cutlets, which is also true. But today I'm back to tell you that I'm the queen of making the fluffiest pancakes that you'll ever eat in your entire life. Honestly, it's like really exhausting to be the queen of everything. Okay, first thing we're gonna start with is mixing our dry ingredients together. To my bowl of all-purpose flour, I'm going to add granulated sugar. Next, we're going to add our leaveners, the first one being baking powder, which reacts in the presence of an acid, which in this case is buttermilk, and also when it's introduced to heat. So we're adding just a little bit here. And then I'm going to add baking soda, which is also super important because not only does this help our pancakes get super fluffy, but this will help your pancakes get that golden brown color that you know and love from your favorite box mix. And then every recipe is not complete without a little bit of salt. Just whisk that all up. Okay, now we're going to add our wet ingredients. In this case, I have 2 eggs, and I'm obviously, since I'm the queen of everything, I'm going to use royal eggs. I'm using Araucana eggs because they're just beautiful, like myself. Oh, yeah. To my eggs, I'm going to add the buttermilk. You can also use whole milk here, but your pancakes won't be as fluffy, so just remember that. Gently whisk this all to combine, and it's totally okay if there are still lumps left. You actually want that. Once your batter is well combined, it's time to cook your pancakes. To the stove we go. Here I have my preheated nonstick skillet, and to this I'm going to add just a pat of unsalted butter. Now this is a little industry food styling secret tip to get like those beautiful pancakes you see on TV that like I probably make. Once the butter is melted, wipe out the excess from the skillet. That is the key. This is a great place to use a cookie scoop if you have one, but I seem to only have like a tablespoon size scoop for some strange reason. So I'm going to use a 1/2 cup measure. Scoop your batter directly into the center of the skillet. You're gonna cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, but it's more of a visual cue than it is a time cue, if anything. Once you start to see bubbles all over the surface of the pancake, that's when you're ready to flip. Time to flip. Oh my God, beautiful. Do you see that? Do you see how thick that is? This is thick with 3 C's. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my God. Look at how fluffy and thick and delicious these look. I have to take a bite. Oh my God. They're golden brown from the baking soda. They're fluffy from the buttermilk. Look at this. Move over, IHOP. I'm sorry. I just have to take a little curtsy. The pancake queen has truly done it.